guys, excuse the mess on me. I'm going to show you a little bit of something with an airplane. Yeah. So there we go. Wait. There's the light. They have to turn it on. Oh my gosh. OMG. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing it with one hand, so it's a little bit hard. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh no, it's on top of the TV. Now carefully just land it. That was actually good. It came right with the shoes. What with my shoes? My dad's shoes actually. Because I'm at my dad's house. Yeah, I have to bring it over there. Actually, I'm scared because I might crash it into the TV because I'm holding it with one hand. But, yeah, I showed you my airplane. So, yeah.